contains soya and wheat, not recommended for people allergic to peanut, soy and gluten. Are you making correct choice? Which product have high quality protein, whey or Protein X? But Protein X is much cheaper than the whey protein. Really? Let's find out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anurag and you're watching Diet and Muscles. If you are going to purchase protein supplements from the market, then obviously you would like to spend your money on the high quality protein. Guys, here I have two brands of protein supplement. One is Protein X, which is very well known by each Indian family, and other I have whey protein supplement. Here I'm not promoting any brand or something. I'm just talking about the ingredients in that. So let's get started. Starting with a nutritional information chart of Protein X. So here, considering one scoop of size 35 grams, the protein is 12 grams, carbs are around 20 grams, of which sugar, that is sucrose, is around 10.5 grams, and fat is almost negligible, which is 0.5 grams. Other half, we have a lot of vitamins, vitamin B1, B2 and all, and minerals. Purchasing protein supplements from the market, that means you are paying for protein, which means that it should be a high quality protein. Out of 3 macronutrients, that is protein, carbs and fats, the protein should be in a high quantity and carbs and fats should be in negligible quantity. That is called as high quality protein. So you saw that carbs are almost 1.6 times more than protein in the supplement. And you are going to purchase this supplement, you are going to spend a lot of money on this supplement. Talking about its sugar content, so 10.5 grams of sugar is coming out of 20 grams of carbs. Now let's quickly talk about the nutritional information chart of whey protein. So one scoop of whey protein contains 33 grams of it, and out of that, protein is 25 grams. Carbs are almost 3.71 grams, of which sugar is 0 grams and fat is 1.15 grams. Also, whey protein supplements will provide you essential amino acids which are not present in Protein X. But of course, Protein X is providing you a lot of vitamins and minerals. So protein in this is way more higher, 9 times more than carbs, which makes its biological and bioavailability value much higher. Now, some of you might still say that one box of Protein X is much cheaper than one box of whey protein. Let's find out. So purchasing one box of Protein X Vanilla Delight flavor of 400 grams will cost you around 499 rupees, approximately 500. Now let's check the cost of whey protein. 1 kg box of whey protein rich milk chocolate flavor will cost you around 2150 rupees. So talking about Protein X, 400 grams of Protein X is costing 500 rupees, which means 1 gram of Protein X will cost around 1.25 rupees. And 1 scoop of Protein X is 35 grams. So 1 scoop will cost you around 44 rupees. Now 1 scoop of Protein X have 12 grams of protein. So 1 gram of protein cost comes around 3.67 rupees. Now let's talk about whey protein. So 1000 grams of whey protein will cost around 2150, which means 1 gram of whey protein will cost around 2.15 rupees. So 1 scoop of whey protein containing 33 grams of it. So 1 scoop cost is 71 rupees. And also 1 scoop containing 25 grams of protein. So 1 gram of protein cost is 2.84 rupees. The math is pretty simple, right? So here we have 1 gram of Protein X protein cost is 3.67 rupees, whereas 1 gram of whey protein concentrate cost around 2.84 rupees. Obviously, whey protein is cheaper than Protein X. Moving on the ingredient part of it, Protein X ingredients consist of skim milk powder, sugar, soy protein isolate, that's why it has a lot of protein in this, refined wheat flour, maida, which is not recommended, maltodextrin, stabilizers and many more. There it is. The problem is in ingredients, guys. It has wheat flour, that is maida. Other than that, it is made up of soy protein, that's why it is called as plant-based protein, and obviously sugar. Now let's talk about the ingredients of whey protein. So ingredients of whey protein consist of whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, dibasic calcium phosphate, stabilizers, sodium chloride, contains artificial sweeteners, and also it is written that contains naturally occurring sugar, by which they mean monosaccharides and disaccharides, that is nothing but carbohydrates. Since in the nutrition information chart, sugar is written 0. Also, it is clearly written that people who have allergies to peanut, soya and gluten, this is not recommended for them. Whereas you will find gluten-free whey protein from the market as well. People who do have thyroid issue, diabetes, then they should avoid these type of high sugar products. Hence, it is very necessary for us to purchase a right product. It's all up to you. I have clearly told you the difference between the two. The 1 gram cost of protein. We talked about the ingredient values. We talked about the nutritional chart of it. So it's all in your hand that what product to purchase. On that note, I'll complete this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, and also please do comment down if you find the same difference and if this video helps you. And if you want a free diet plan for complete 1 month, then please do check out the description box. I have given the link of my website there. And before going, if you are new to this video, then do subscribe my channel to stay tuned. Thank you.